Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by going straight to App Info so you can revert updates. This saves time versus reinstalling. From the home screen or app drawer, long press the app icon and tap App Info, or open Settings right arrow Apps and find the app. Make sure you have the device unlocked and any work profiles accessible because system policies can hide options. Once done, scan the App Info page for storage, permissions, and the three-dot menu. These controls determine whether you can uninstall updates or only disable the app. You now target the three-dot menu in App Info. This is where Samsung exposes uninstall updates. Tap it and confirm the prompt to restore the factory version. This removes patched APKs and returns the app to the firmware version to resolve bugs or incompatibilities. If the option is grayed out, make sure the app is not a device admin, not set as the default launcher, and that Play Store auto-updates aren't reapplying changes. Also, check Managed Device or Knox policies that can block rollback. You finish by rebooting the phone so the system picks up the reverted APK and clears temporary caches. This prevents mixed code crashes. After reboot, open App Info to confirm the version number and run the app to verify the issue is resolved. If the Uninstall Updates option was unavailable, disable Device Admin for the app, uninstall Play Store updates, or remove the app from work profiles. If none of that works, consider backing up data and performing a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.